the living area where they have set a sofa set. And yes, one more thing, they are providing you with this flat, the bed space over here, the beautiful bed that they have added over here. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Brigade Residency, a project at World Trade Center by Brigade Group. And this project is located in Pirangude, Chennai. And today we are here to check out their 1 BHK's actual flat at Nebula Tower. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the tower, the Residency's tower. And on the ground floor, you will be getting their marketing office as well. And these are the other residential tower with the WTC tower, the World Trade Center commercial tower. But before starting, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So now let's start with a project overview. This project will be constructed on total 5.5 acres of land parcel with 3 residential towers. Now we'll be focusing upon the tower Nebula. So this tower is of 2 basement ground plus 13 floors, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the amenities part. So this project provides you 30 plus world-class amenities. Like of you can check out, this is the clubhouse and swimming pool which you'll be getting on the rooftop, garden area, kids play area, multi-purpose hall with the spa area and many more. Now coming to the location part, so basically this project is exactly located on OMR main road in Pirangude, Chennai. So let me tell you that this is the OMR main road. And this road over this side will take you towards Turtle Park. And on the opposite side, so this road will take you towards Tiruvipakam. Now about the further connectivity, so this project is exactly located beside the WTC commercial tower and 300 meters away from the Apollo Hospital. Nearest upcoming metro station is 150 meters with American International School of Chennai is 3 kilometers away from the project. Now this is your 1 BHK of 984 square feet super built up area. So once you enter from the main entrance, you can check out the digital door lock. And here is the kitchen area with a beautiful interior done. And yes, one more thing, they are providing you with this flat with interior. Now you can check out the living area where they have set a sofa set. And you can check out how beautifully they have decorated their space. And now beautiful and spacious balcony. So basically this is a standing balcony with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring and toughened glass railing, so you can enjoy the beautiful scenic view of the city. Now we'll be moving towards your bedroom area, but before that, let me tell you what exactly Housey provides you all. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with its sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme and EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All those wonderful features are under housey.com, so you don't have to go here and there. You just need to register on housey.com and schedule your free site visit. Now about the bedroom. So once you enter, you can check out the flooring, the bed space over here, the beautiful bed that they have added over here, the study table space, the wardrobe space, and again the window, the beautiful window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And here comes, this is your washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Here they have given the provision for the washing machine as well. So this was all about your 1 BHK in this project, and as you all know, we are here at Brigade Group's project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, and again do let me know in the comment section below. And all the details of the project is provided in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.